Alright, now they want to know if the printer will heat up and auto home without the SD card. Here is the SD card. The slot is empty. I don't know why they put the switch in the back, but that's where they put it. Alright, let's see if we can go to prepare. Let's see if we can preheat. The temperature is rising, yes. Actually, maybe that's too hot. Let me change it to PLA instead of ABS. Temperature is rising. Temperature is rising. It is now 1:15. Still rising. It is now 1:23. It's going to be going up to 239. It's now 1:43. It is now 160, 163, 168. It is still rising. 186, 194, 207, 208, 9, 211, 215. 227. The bed temperature is rising. It's now at 54, 55. Temperature is now 237, 238. Now it is at temperature. Now we're going to see if it will auto home. Nope. The bridge rose about an inch and a half, maybe 2 inches, and then stopped. The screen says homing XYZ. Please wait until done. But the bridge has frozen and it's not doing anything. The temperature for the bed and the temperature for the nozzle is at its set degrees. But the system is locked up. And I can't do nothing with the keypad.